Guys, I still to do it, but okay, let's try it again. Why do you want to go up? I want to be big. Okay, I get it. Oh yeah, I forgot I have water. Just normal water. Look. Just normal water. Oh, I do too much. Oh my god. I have no tissue. Okay, it will be dirty. The dirt is okay. Just okay. I will let the water dry. Okay, and I will clean the table. Just wait a minute. Okay, I just finished and the water has dry. No more. I get it. Okay, that's attempt. Okay. That's just nothing done. Don't mention the barking because that's always make me mad. When I do ASMR, they like do woof 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 woof. And when I do a video, they just say woof 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 woof. But they do not wait today. Oh, I'm the unbubble, guys. That again. It need to be super flat. Okay, super flat. Bubble
Si Rayena. Bakit?
Okay, don't mention that noise. Okay,
Hindi ba? Dala-dala ng papa mo. Si papa mo may dala? Si papa mo? Dala-dala na pagbiyahe? Oh, yung dala-dala ni...
Oh, wait a minute. It always fall. And bye guys. Peace.